So the one thing that seems constant when it comes to solar power is change, whether it's type of savings you can achieve or even the state programs available.
Now is the time to grab your best incentives, not just in every East Coast state, but especially in Maryland. They've announced a schedule now to eliminate full one-to-one metering credit in the state of Maryland.
What?
Yeah, you don't want to miss out on this. And there is some time. Okay, it doesn't officially change until basically about this time next year, but you have to have everything installed, everything connected and approved with the utility. It takes months to accomplish that. So we're telling everyone, look, now is the time. This is the last summer to lock in and be really grandfathered into that best one-to-one program for essentially the next 25 years or more.
So you're in there, grandfathered in, perpetuity, you're settled, you're done.
Correct. And this happened out west. You know, customers who acted quickly enough and locked in that full one-to-one credit, their systems were grandfathered in. But if you missed the deadline, Jimmy, now you're going to get something less than full one-to-one credit, right? Maybe we don't even know yet. Could be half credit, could be 3/4 credit. Bottom line, it's not going to be the full one-to-one. So you want to lock that in now, especially in Maryland.